this is the one I'm gonna try. It's called automatic curling stick, guys. It has gotten very many reviews, nice reviews, recommendations, so I want to try it myself and see how it is. Yeah, automatic curling stick. Oh, it came in with some nice hair clips with a comb. Oh, three of them, guys. Oh, three hair clips and a comb. Hope I don't get disappointed. Let me open it. Okay.